Hey Vegas and Stilettos, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I like to unbox things, all sorts of things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I like to vlog and review restaurants all around the world. Yes, I am really just kind of banging out the videos today here before date night. I'm looking at the camera. I actually have a doctor's appointment, so before date night, so I have about 15 more minutes here, so I got one more box for you today. This is called the gentleman's box, and my husband looked into this. He wanted this. It's originally like a $30 box, and he got a discount. He got it for $10, or well, $9.99. So I thought that was cool. And it just says required essentials for the savvy man. And it says on the inside, how to be a true gentleman. Look good, feel good, be good. And you open it up, and this is what you see. And it says the triple threat, the gentleman's post. And it comes with this little booklet. I don't know if it has the products in here. I'm not going to look at that. The next thing is a little envelope here that has a card. Did the envelope say anything? No, it's a blank envelope. And it's an empty card. It says, we just saved you a last-minute trip to the store. Let's do it again. Okay, so I guess this is just, you get a free card if you need a card for something. I don't know. And then you have a little burrito here. It has a sticker on it that says the gentleman's box. And we are going to open it up. And so the first thing I am seeing is a pair of socks. Sock box. Only available in Canada. And my husband likes to wear quirky little socks, so he will like these. And the next thing I am seeing is a tie. And if there's some sort of a link down below for this, I will put it down there for you. I don't know if the link will give you anything off or not. We'll just have to see. But okay, so the next thing is a tie. Oop, there's a piece of lint on it. And it has these little, are those polka dots or squares? I don't know, I can't tell. But that's what that looks like. That's what those look like. And then the next thing I'm pulling out of here there are 3 little bags. So this bag feels like sunglasses. And it's Elise eyewear. And I pull them out and they look like this. I'll put them on even though they are from my husband. Those are huge. I don't know, he has a bigger head than I do. So we'll see how those look on him. And then the next thing I am pulling out here, it says Gentleman Essentials. I'm running out of time. And this, oh, those are cool. And so we have some cufflinks here. Those are nice. Nice and sturdy. There's a good weight to them. That's really nice. And then the next thing here is from our cutlery. Luxury neckwear and accessories. What is this? That's interesting. I guess it's just like a little clip that you put on your collar. I don't know if that is necessarily something that is going to be his style. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure if he will like that, but that is what box am I on? That is the gentleman's box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this box and have a great day. Bye.